And now we just noodle and doodle it. Now I'm going to put more shading. I mean, you could stop right now or you could spend another hour. It's completely up to you. Completely up to you. It's your creation. It's your imagination. Just joyfully and joyfully enjoy creating this drawing here. See what I'm doing? I'm putting a little shading under the feathers. And, you know, you know what I'll do here? Maybe I'll put a little texture on the, maybe I'll put a little like a knot hole right here. And watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this little bit of a wood grain. I'll put a little bit of wood grain here. So you just take your pencil, kind of a wiggly line, and just have fun. Little wiggly line here, kind of make that tree branch here. Isn't that fun? Isn't that cool? And you can do it right here. Watch this. I'm going to take this, and I think I'll make a little twig coming off of here. See, maybe a little twig, and then see what I'm doing? I'm going to put a tiny little twig coming off here, a little branch, and I'll put some leaves. Put a couple leaves here, and the twig goes up. Put a couple, isn't that fun? Just throw a couple leaves here and there. A little shadow. You know me, I love drawing trees. We did that wonderful tree in our series 1 on 21 Draw. That's a good one. Practicing the tree roots and practicing the clumps of leaves and overlapping in the texture. So again, here I am. Look at, I'm putting that shadow underneath here. See how that little bit of wood grain really makes that toucan. Look at, here's the detail, little shadow under the contour claws. See the little shadow here. Little value, dark shadow, a little gray, a little bit of value here. This is the fun part. I just love this. All right, now you can, if you want to put a little more texture here, you can put a couple little leaves, you know, just feathers, little feathers. I'm thinking of leaves here. A couple little textured feathers here, some here, some there. Just tossing a little bit of texture. Maybe another one here. Another one just here and there. And I think that looks really cool. Then you put a little shadow. Look at it. I keep on thinking I should stop, but no. I have more ideas. I can't stop. Stop. My students always say, stop. And, oh, I have a whole nother area to shade. I'm loving this so much. I'm like, oh, good. I get to draw a little bit more on this one. See what I'm doing? I got a shade up underneath here to make it look hollow. Oh, I'm jumping back here because I want to put a little bit of a shadow under each of these little clumps of feathers. Take your finger. You can add a little blending here underneath here for sure. A little value. Oops. Noodling, doodling, right? Is that what you're doing? You guys having fun? Noodling and doodling. Noodling and doodling. A little shadow. See, the shading really defines that shape, as well as those contour lines. The contour lines really define it too. All right. Coming across here, maybe a little more value here. I'm loving it. All right, now, underneath here, we got to pull this shading up. Now watch what I'm going to do on this curve here. See this? I'm going to shade along each of these ridges, just as I did right here. I'm going to twist and turn my paper. It's easier for me to get that detail when I twist and turn it. Twist and turn it lighter. Okay. I'm loving it. Oh my goodness, I'm having so much fun. I can turn this way. Oops. I should, see what I did? I should be protecting it, but I'm not. I can go through and clean that up later. There's this one, there are wonderful erasers, little square ones, the gummy erasers. There's also little bag erasers. I don't have one here, but when it's a little drafting, it crumples, and you use a little bag. It's a bag filled up with little bits of gummy erasers, and they're great for cleaning up. They're great. Me, I love my little click eraser. It makes it fast and easy. Clean up my smears. Clean up, clean up, clean up. I love it. A little more blending here. And I want to smear this with my finger. Give it a nice value. A little bit of shade under here. I just can't stop. I love this. I can't stop. Just you keep going as long as you want. This one is perfect as a great example to have fun. A little playground of imagination, right? All right. A little more here. I keep on seeing little spots I want to define and push down. A little more shading. And I think that's about it. There we go. And sign your name to your drawing. I'll sign my name. Mark Kistler. 21 draw. Oh yeah. Bam. All right, put the date on the drawing, and you have you keep these in your sketchbook, and you have a whole collection. All right, stay creative, keep drawing every day, stay in a super joyful, positive attitude, and I'll see you on the next 21 draw lesson. Yeah.